we can add some hoop tape. Now, when we say hoop tape, this is just a double-sided sticky tape, which scrapbookers use, and we just place that on the back of the hoop. And you can also place it around the inside of the hoop. Let's just stick that on. Good for about 3 or 4 hoopings until it gets fluffy and then it won't stick anymore. But what it does is it catches the stabilizer and keeps it nice and taut so that it's not going to slip and slide, especially when you're dealing with things like the wash-away stabilizers, which do have a sort of a bit of a silky finish on them. And there we go, that just pulls off. And so outside edge is tacky, so it will actually stick to something, and that's what we want. And the back here as well, just get my nail underneath there and start it. There we go. Try that again. Okay, so I've caught that with my finger. That's cool. Right, so we have some sticky stabilizer on our, sticky tape on around the edge of our hoop. Let's just get some stabilizer. Right, I'm just going to use a piece of wash away. Now, with our wash away, we like to use it double. And so I've got some sticky here and here. So when I put this on to my stabilizer, it's going to automatically stick to it. See, it's going to automatically stick to it. And then I'm going to put it into my hoop, which I have unwound to make sure it's nice and loose, and I'm going to wind this up again to make it tight. And if I want to, I could actually put some pins around the outside edge of it as well. So we want it to be comfortable. Okay, so we want it to be comfortable. We don't want it to be tight. We don't want it to be flapping around. The thing about these hoops, when they get long, they're nice and tight around the top and the bottom edges and the corners, but it's the sides that get let down because they actually have become a little bit loose. Some brands of hoop actually have a piece of rubber along the sides of them, and some don't. It just depends on what your brand of your hoop is. Every hoop is different. So having some aids to actually help us hoop is definitely a bonus. So our tape, some of you have with your machines, you have little rubber grids around the outside edge. Some machines will give you clips, a whole lot of different versions of clips. So some will give you clips, but you need to make sure that your hoop is open when you start, it's nice and loose, and that you tighten it. Don't push the inner hoop into the outside hoop. I hope you get some success for that.